Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a landing page for free. If you want to learn how to create a landing page like this with no money, so keep watching this video without skipping any part of this video. Step 1. Go to site.google.com. Step 2. Create landing page for your affiliate offer. Step 3. Make money. You can create any type of landing page using this amazing platform and start promoting affiliate marketing business or any kind of promotions that you have to make online. So guys, if you're excited about this, I want you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. So guys, let's get started. You don't need any domain and hosting. It's completely free. Now guys, step 1 is go to site.google.com and create a landing page. But before we create a landing page, firstly select the affiliate program. You can use any type of affiliate program or your own online program. In this video we use clickbank.com. Guys, if you don't know what is ClickBank. Guys, ClickBank is a global internet retailer and affiliate marketplace. ClickBank was founded in 1998 and is privately held. The company has more than 6 million clients worldwide, which secured it in becoming the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. So guys, go to the marketplace and select affiliate offer. You can go with any niche. As you can see here on the left side, there are many niches you can go with anyone. For example, if I want to go into the pets niche, simply search or click on the pets niche tab. The next step is to select the filter and sort by gravity. I will select this one, brain training for dogs. This is the sales page of brain training for dogs. Go back to site.google.com. And now guys, let's build a landing page. So guys, I play music and start building a landing page. Guys, this landing page we build in only a few minutes. You can build landing pages using this amazing site and make money very easily. If you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.